So, hello, welcome
Hello.
Fiona.
Hi,
Welcome,
nice to
guys.
see you. Very good.
Another day 3 for our down dog yoga challenge for 30 days. So this is the third day. Still very easy, just 5 minutes as a preparation, building the strength and flexibility in your body to try some more interesting things in the future. Okay, so how are you feeling, Fiona, today?
Feeling good. Ready for action.
Right?
Joy's ready to have a little go.
Ah, good. All right, so let's
Come
get
on then.
started.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to start your legs wider than your shoulders width apart, but make sure you've got good grip, especially if you've got mat and bare feet, make sure they stay in the place. And now first with your arms, inhale, reaching up, and slowly exhale, bring your arms down. Inhale, really high to stretching your upper body, arms, and slowly relax. And 2 more. Inhale, and slowly exhale. 1 more time. Inhale, and slowly exhale. And now left arm. Just make sure you're not going to make any movement from your hips. So squeeze your glutes muscles, buttocks muscles nice and strong as you reach to your right side. Inhale, slowly exhale. Feel this nice stretch in your left, and building strength in your core on your right side at the same time. Inhale, and slowly exhale. And now your right. Inhale, slowly exhale. Relax your left shoulder, right arm, the best if you're straight. Inhale, and slowly exhale. And relax. Okay. Now feet to your hips width apart. Inhale, arms up. As you exhale, bend your knees, flex your hips, and slowly fold forward. Roll your hands all the way up with your knees bent as you completely upright. Straight legs, inhale. And again, slowly exhale. Feel the stretch, especially back of your legs, your glutes, lower back. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And 1 more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Now hands on the floor. Bring your both knees down. I'm going to look side to side, but holding your body in the same position. If you don't have flexibility in your spine, your lower back, you can notice you're just leaning to one side, so make sure you've got your hips nice and still. Inhale on one side and slowly exhale. Back to center. And slowly lift your knees, down the position. You've got knees bent. Really focus to move your body back, chest towards your legs. And let's march on the spot. Feel the stretch back of your legs. Don't worry, it's not about straight legs or heels down the floor. It's about the stretching, right? Comfortable stretching in your legs as well as your upper body, chest and shoulders. And slowly bring your knees on the floor. Form arms. I'm going to rock your body back and forth, keeping your abdominal muscles really strong. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Okay, now let's lay down on your belly. Again, preparation for our up dog position for now could be just on your elbows still, or you can try hands with your shoulders level, but start wider. If you've never done yoga before, just you need your hands wider than your shoulders width apart. Make sure squeezing your glutes to make this movement. Right for strong lower back. A nice stretch for your chest, belly area. Build the strength in your upper body, your wrist. Maybe one more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Forearms pressing from your elbows and your knees. Slowly start to move towards your legs and child pose. Rock side to side. And you can stay in the stretching or you can finish with me. So if you find to finish, inhale, arms up. And slowly just relax. Okay. So thank you. That was our day 3. How was it?
That was good. Thank you very much. Feeling good.
Fantastic.
Okay, see you soon.
Yeah, see you tomorrow for more yoga, more down dogs.
Thank you.
Bye for now.
Bye, Alicia.
Bye, guys. So if you enjoy it and you're with us with this challenge, give us thumbs up. You can leave it comments below the video. And yeah, remember to subscribe to be informed about more videos coming. And see you tomorrow for another day challenge with yoga down dog. Bye.